Today I am going to share 4 beginner-friendly apps that I have personally tested and found simple to use. The first app in our list is Bitcoin Clicker. Want to earn Bitcoin with just a few taps on your phone? Then try out this Bitcoin Clicker app. Download and install the Bitcoin Clicker app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Sign up. It's free and works in most countries. On the home screen, you will see a big click and earn button. Tap it, wait for a few seconds, and your earnings are instantly added to your in-app wallet. You can repeat this multiple times a day. Some sessions even give bonus rewards or multiplier clicks. The more consistent you are, the faster your balance grows. But here is the pro tip. Don't just rely on the clicker. The app also offers extra ways to boost your earnings, like completing mini tasks or inviting friends. Combining these methods can triple or even quadruple your daily rewards. Once you hit the minimum payout, you can withdraw directly to your Bitcoin wallet. The next step in our list is Crazy Kitchen. This is one of my favorite games, which I personally play every day. The Crazy Kitchen game provides multiple ways to make money. If you want to make money by doing nothing, then start this level. All you need is just open the app and it basically pays you for keeping the app open. The more time you let the app open, the more money you will earn. Plus part, it runs ads in the background so it does not interrupt the mission. You can also make money by playing games, completing simple surveys and inviting friends. The most I like in this app is referral earnings. When you invite your friend, it instantly pays you 10 cents per invite. Plus, you earn 20% of their lifetime earnings. You can withdraw your earnings through Payout, PayPal and cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. So start making money today. The next step in our list is Cash Duck. It's a rewards app that pays you for completing small tasks. These tasks can include watching videos, answering surveys, trying free trials, downloading apps and even playing games. The app is free to download and it's available in several countries. But the availability of tasks may vary depending on where you live. Once you create an account, you will see different offers and activities. Each one has its own payout amount. For example, a short survey might pay a few cents, while signing up for a trial could pay more. You earn coins or points, and once you reach the minimum threshold, you can cash out through PayPal. It's important to know this isn't a get-rich-quick app. It's meant for earning small amounts of extra money during your free time. You can also make money by inviting your friend. So try the Cash Duck app now. Next in the list we have Crazy Kart. It is a mobile racing game with simple controls and colorful graphics. You race your kart through different tracks, dodge obstacles and complete challenges. The game also has a reward system where you earn coins or points as you play, which can later be redeemed for gift cards or other rewards depending on availability and your region. Once you open the app, you choose your kart and start racing through levels. As you play, you collect in-game coins and sometimes complete offers or watch short ads to boost your earnings. The coins add up, and once you reach the minimum required balance, you can request a payout, usually through PayPal or popular gift card options. Remember, the rewards are small and are meant as a bonus while enjoying the game, not as a full-time income. Try all these apps and games, links are in the description.